Dr. Calabrese did some dental work on you. He did some veneers on you.
He did.
Okay, and what else did he do? Did he lengthen your gums?
He actually, he raised the gum line a little bit. He put the veneers on the 4 front teeth that I have.
What were your teeth like before?
Oh gosh, I had the worst acid wear on the front 4 teeth, well, the front 2 especially. And they were actually to the point where they were so thin that if I put my tongue against them in the back, you could actually kind of see through them.
Oh, wow.
And then, the gums were really low, so when I smiled, mostly what you saw was just the gums, and so it's been a big difference since I had the whole procedure done.
Oh, wow. How old are you?
I'm 29.
29.
I'll be 30 in August.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thanks.
You really do. And after you had your final veneers cemented in your mouth, immediately how did you feel? Were you a lot more surprised than what you were expecting?
Relieved that it was done.
Yes.
That was the first immediate reaction. But when I actually got to look at them, of course it was a huge difference, and it took me probably a week or so, because we raised the gum line, and so that kind of had to heal up a little bit.
And then just getting used to talking.
Right. Yeah. Talking with them was a little bit different because they are a little longer than my teeth originally were. They're a little bit thicker, so it took a while, and learning to bite all over again because my bite doesn't line up where it used to anymore. But taking pictures now, especially because I know that, when I used to take pictures, it was just kind of like,
yeah,
I don't really want people to see those front teeth, and now I don't have to worry about it so much, and when I smile I don't have to worry about the gum line so much, so it's really nice. It's definitely really changed the confidence level as far as, just opening up and talking to people and being able to smile and not having to worry about what my teeth look like.
Right.
So I live in Queen Creek, and I was referred here by a friend that actually used to work for the office. I asked her, is it worth it for me to come all the way out there for this dentist because it's, an hour drive or better. She's like, oh, it's so totally worth it. You need to come out here. So I came out the first time, and we had actually talked about the veneers at that time, but it was kind of like, kind of put it off that first time. And then the next time that I came out for another cleaning, he brought it up again. He's like, all right, how about these veneers? What are we going to do? And so we ended up setting it up.
And how do you feel about coming to our office? I know you still, even though you've had all that work done, and it is a long drive for you, what keeps you coming back to the office?
I think probably the main reason that I keep coming back is just because it's so comfortable. I know the people who I'm working with, and obviously I know Dr. Calabrese now, and it just makes it a lot simpler coming when
you feel comfortable where you're going.
Exactly.
You can ask the questions you want to ask, right?
And you guys already kind of know everything that's going on with my mouth and the things that I have. So it does. It makes it a lot easier, that comfort factor. I haven't been to a lot of dental offices, but this one, the very first time that I walked into it, I was kind of blown away just by the decor and, how it's set up. This is probably the nicest office that I've ever been in. This is the first dentist that I've been to that really, took the time to kind of sit down and talk to me and get to know a little bit of a background and kind of open up a rapport instead of just come in and look at my teeth and, oh, well, here's what you need done and this is how much it's going to cost, and, then move on to the next person. So that's been really nice to be able to have that type of relationship with somebody who's obviously doing really important work in your mouth. This is stuff that I'm hoping will last for years and years, if not forever. So to have somebody who actually cares about what they're doing and, the person behind it instead of just the work is really fantastic. So.